Somebody asked me on TikTok how they can switch from their iGPU to their dedicated GPU, and I decided to make this video for them and for every other person that doesn't know how to switch between your iGPU and your dedicated GPU on your gaming laptop, because most modern gaming laptops have two GPUs. One is the iGPU, which is short for integrated graphics, and one is dedicated graphics. The iGPU are basically Intel HD graphics, Intel Iris graphics, and so on and so forth, while dedicated graphics are usually Nvidia cards and AMD cards. Those are dedicated graphic cards. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can switch between your iGPU and your dedicated GPU simultaneously. That being said, let's jump straight to the tutorial video. The first thing you need to do is go to Start menu and go to Settings. While you are in Settings, go to System and then go to Display. Then scroll all the way down till you see Graphics. Click on it. So once you click on it, what you simply have to do is, if your program is not listed here, what you simply have to do is click on Add Desktop App, then find the directory of the game that you want to add or the software you want to add. Once you find the directory, select the launcher file and then click Add. In this case, I've already added God of War, and once you add it, it will be showing in this list of apps. So the next thing you need to do right now is to click on this drop down menu, this drop down icon, click on it and then click on GPU preference and then select high performance, which is my 1660 Ti. So if you do power saving, it will use my UHD graphics 630. That's what it will use, but this 630 cannot actually handle God of War. So in that case, I'll have to use high performance mode, which is going to be using my Nvidia card. So yeah, that is basically how you can switch between iGPU to dedicated GPU in your gaming laptop. And if you found this video helpful, like, share, and follow me for more videos like this one. Ciao guys.